Hi everyone, this is the day that the Lord has made, and welcome in Moni's Cuisine. It is always a pleasure when you stop by, when you like it, when you share it, when you send your comment. That make me a pleasure and that keep me smiling, so that encourages me to keep posting videos. So welcome everyone to Moni's Cuisine. Welcome, and do not pass these videos. Do not subscribe and not like it, and share your idea with me. This is a Father's Day dinner that my kids decide to prepare for the dad. Yes, my kids, and I was included on it. So yes, I make the favorite meals, which is white rice and lalo. So yes, this is a favorite meal for my husband. So yes, we make the lalo, and he was there praying over the food, and our family just sit down and enjoy it. And this is the pepper stuffing that we prepare with that shrimp, onions, olive oil, and we put some vegetables on it, which is carrots, broccoli, and we put some soy sauce on it. So after we mix it together, and family, always send me your idea, and do not forget to bring more people to this channel. That will keep me posting. The only requirement, just like it and share it and let me know. This is how my family Father's Day was having fun. So, and you can just have an idea. Maybe next year you will prepare your Father's Day. Maybe you don't do the same way I do it, but at least you will have something on my family dinner table that you might be prefer. And this pepper stuffing, this is the first time that I'm preparing it, because my girls, they was requested on that table. So yes, after we prepare it, and we put some rice in it, and then after it's finished, we're going to put it in the bell pepper. So don't forget to add your favorite spice, but we do not add more after we seasoning the shrimp. And then in the shrimp, we already have all the flavor that we need in the shrimp, and that's it, not much. And then we're going to stuff in the bell peppers with it. You can use any color you want. We were trying to have a tropical color on that table. That's why we choose red, green, and yellow, so we can have a tropical colors on that table. So we cut it on a half, and then after we cut it, we put the stuffing on it, and then we're just gonna put cheese on the top of it. And let me know, family. And then after that, this is how it look like. We're going to bake it, and after we bake it, this is how it look like, family. Go ahead and try it, okay? Go ahead and try it. He make a difference on that table. That bring another vibe to the table, and especially we try to bring the color that we want on that table. And this is the lalo. This is a dry lalo with some seafood on it, family. And I can tell you, after we finish eating this food, it is so fun after we finish eating this food. So go ahead, family, let me know which one you like. If you like my lalo or the pepper stuffing, so anything you want, let me know. And on that table, we have some pineapple with some grapes on it. We just want to put some flavor to that table, and hopefully you share your idea with me. Hopefully you subscribe, and I hope you like it. This is everything we have in that table. We have some tropical drink that we make with watermelon and some pineapple. And look at this. This is macaroni and cheese, and this is the lalo with the white rice, and this is my pineapple that my girls are decor for their dad. So